Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you this juicy roasted turkey recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. In a small bowl, we're going to combine 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. If you don't already know, I like to clean my meat with either lemon or vinegar or a combination of both. Here we have an 11.25 pound turkey that I cleaned with approximately 3 cups of vinegar and rinsed it under hot water. Make sure to coat the entire turkey in the spice mixture. To separate the skin, I use the end of a spatula. Then afterwards, you're gonna insert the remaining seasoning as well as a half a stick of butter on each side of the breast. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to thrust the turkey. We're going to take a piece of twine, tie the ends of the legs together, bring the twine over the leg, tuck the wings underneath the turkey, flip the turkey over and tie. Place your turkey in a baking dish. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half. This is what your turkey will look like after about an hour and a half. Flip the turkey, cook for 30 minutes, flip it again, reduce the temperature down to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 2 hours. Total cooking time will be 4 hours.